Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing a DeWalt half-inch high torque impact wrench. This is a kit version which includes the 4 amp hour battery, charger, and carrying bag. It is model number DCF899M1. The specs on this model are 1200 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. See that or not? I'll try to zoom in there. 700 foot-pounds of tightening force, tightening torque. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. As you can see, everything is bagged. Includes this nice carrying bag. This tool is proudly made in the USA. Let's see, we have the instruction manual and warranty paperwork. Let's see here. We have a 12 volt and a 20 volt combination lithium-ion charger. We have the 4 amp hour battery. As you can see. And then this is the high torque brushless version, the newest model, XR model. There's a little front mount LED. Not sure if you can see that or not right there. On the back side it has the battery indicator. It's just showing 1 bar. Overall, it's a nice unit. I like it. I've used one before. A friend of mine has the same exact model, which made me go out and buy this one. To give you an idea, I'm going to put it next to my 3H drive 12 volt version. Alright, so on the left hand side, I have the DeWalt 12 volt brushless 3H drive impact wrench with the 2 amp hour battery. And on the right hand side, it's the DeWalt half-inch drive impact brushless with the 4 amp hour 20 volt battery. As you can see, the size difference, I mean, they're pretty substantial. The one on the right hand side, I purchased these for working on cars and small engines and motorcycles. The one on the right hand side you're going to be using for breaking away like lug nuts and anything that's been rusted in, or that's torqued down really tight. I wouldn't use it often on smaller parts simply because it's really heavy. Smaller fasteners, it would be kind of a pain in the butt to manhandle such a big impact wrench around. The one on the left hand side is perfect for transmission valve bodies or just small fasteners. Anything smaller than like a ½ inch in size. This would be ideal for. It's fairly light. It's around 2 pounds. I'm not exactly sure how heavy the one on the right hand side is. I could pull a scale out here in a second and get a weight of it. But if I had to guess, it's probably between 6 pounds and 8 pounds. It's fairly heavy, to be honest with you. There is a mid-range ½ inch drive, which I believe is around 300 or 400 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. The reason why I did not purchase that one, even though it is a smaller body than this larger one, the overlap between the two of them, 200 foot-pounds of torque is ideal for everything I do with the smaller guy. I really didn't see the need for the mid-range one. If I needed something with a high breakaway torque, you're just better off using the larger impact anyways. But I do plan on buying the smaller 100 foot-pound the 1/4 inch drive of this 12 volt equivalent model, which uses the same body, it's just a smaller attachment and a little less torque for even smaller fasteners. You know, you get into fasteners that are below 10 millimeters in size, you don't want to really be reefing on them and stripping them out. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick overview on these two models and see how you guys like it. And we'll have a video of them both in action here shortly. Got the posted scale out. We're going to see how heavy this big impact is. I'm going to guess around 6 pounds. I don't recall what it said on the spec list. I'm guessing around that range, maybe heavier, maybe lighter. I don't know. Let's see. And it's actually 7 pounds. 7 pounds on the nose with the 4 amp hour battery, which isn't bad. I mean, I wouldn't want to use this thing all the time. You know, it is heavy, very heavy actually. Just simply to break nuts loose or bolts loose, it's about all you really need it for. I wouldn't be constantly wrenching on a car with it. It's just big and bulky, but it gets the job done. I mean, it serves its intended purpose. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys.